Kitchen gadgets that make weeknight cooking 2x faster. Most weeknight dinners are slow, and it's not because of the food. It's friction. Chopping takes longer than it should. You wait around while things cook. You double-check meat because you're unsure it's done. Individually, these delays feel small. Together, they stretch dinner past an hour. These are kitchen gadgets that remove those bottlenecks, prep, cook time, and guesswork, so dinner actually moves. Number 1. Manual multi-blade vegetable chopper. The first 10 minutes of most meals, chopping. Onions, peppers, tomatoes, potatoes. With a knife, that's easily 8 to 10 minutes. A push-style multi-blade chopper compresses that into about 1 to 2 minutes. Press down, uniform dice, everything drops into a container. No knife skills, no uneven cuts, no slow, careful slicing. If prep normally eats the first 10 minutes of cooking, this alone cuts that time in half. That's your first friction point removed. Number 2. Adjustable mandolin slicer. Slicing is another hidden delay. Potatoes for roasting, cucumbers for salad, zucchini for stir-fry. 5 to 7 minutes with a knife, under a minute with a mandolin. Uniform thickness also means faster, more even cooking, which prevents you from extending cook time to be safe. Less slicing, less correcting, faster results. Number 3. Garlic rocker press. Garlic shouldn't slow dinner down. Peel, crush, mince, clean, sticky knife. A stainless steel garlic rocker crushes multiple cloves at once, no peeling required. Press and rock, done. 5 cloves in under 20 seconds. It's small, but micro delays stack up during weeknight cooking. Remove enough of them and dinner stops dragging. By this point, prep time is already significantly shorter. Now we compress actual cook time. Number 4. Electric pressure cooker. This is the time multiplier. Chicken breast on a stove, 25 to 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker, 10 to 12 minutes. Rice, around 20 minutes traditionally. Under 10 minutes under pressure. Stews that normally take an hour, closer to 20 minutes. It's not just convenience, it's time math. If you start cooking at 6:30, this can mean eating before 7 instead of 7:30. That's a real shift in your evening. Number 5. Instant read digital meat thermometer. Guessing slows you down more than cooking does. You check the oven, you cut into the chicken, you wait another 5 minutes just in case. An instant read thermometer gives you the exact internal temperature in seconds. No repeated checking, no overcooking, no reheating. It removes hesitation, and hesitation quietly wastes time. Number 6. Large salad spinner. Washing greens seems simple until you're drying lettuce with paper towels. A salad spinner washes and dries in about a minute. No towel drying, no soggy salads, no redo. And dry greens mean dressing sticks immediately, so you're not draining excess water and starting over. Small friction, fully removed. Weeknight cooking feels long because of accumulated delays. 5 minutes chopping, 7 minutes slicing, 10 minutes guessing, 15 minutes waiting longer than necessary. Individually, they don't look massive. Together, they stretch dinner past an hour. When you remove prep bottlenecks, compress cook time, and eliminate guesswork, the entire workflow shrinks. Cooking isn't slow. Inefficiency is. Build your kitchen around friction removal and weeknights get a lot shorter.